Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2020 Peugeot Boxer, stock number 6457. This ran from the 8th 2019 to the current shape. It has a DW10 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is a DW10 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front door mirror, left front 15-inch steel wheel, good tyre, left rear sliding door, 1 dent, left rear 15-inch steel wheel, good tyre, left rear tail light, left rear tailgate door, right rear tailgate door, right rear tail light, right rear 15-inch steel wheel, good tyre, right front door, no dents, right front door mirror, right front 15-inch steel wheel, good tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, aftermarket Sony touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,